Good morning students, my name is Mohit and I am a mathematics teacher in Mount Rita Z School, Jhansi. Today's topic is multiplication of fraction and the second topic will be covered in this video is division of fraction. Now first of all, we will learn how to multiply the fractions. I have taken here two examples. First is two fractions multiplication and this is multiplication of three fractions. And you can do it for more fractions. So let's take first example A. So like 5 by 6 multiply 2 by 3. In these fractions, what we have to do in multiplication, we just need to multiply the denominator and the numerator separately. Like the numerator and numerator will get multiplied, that 5 2s are 10 like this upon 6 multiplied by 3, that is 6 into 3, that is 10 by 18. So like this you can multiply. Now let's take another example like 2 by 3 and 6 by 8 multiply 4 by 3. So in this example also you just need to multiply the numerator and denominator separately. Like this is 2 by 3, 6 by 8, 4 by 3. The numerators are 2, 6 and 4. So we will multiply like directly. Also you can do it like 2 6 are 12 and 12 4s are 48. 3 8s are 24 or 24 3s are 72. So like this you can do it. Now did you notice that you can simplify the fraction also? Like how you can convert it into simplest or lowest form by dividing by its HCF or by any common number. For example, common factor. For example, 10 by 18 can be divided by 2. So you can write it 10 by 18. 2 9s are 2 5s are. So you can write it 5 by 9 also. You can write it this and this, both you can write it. In this also you can divide by any number. Okay, the number which are common the number which is common factor in both. So what will you do? You can simplify the number like this, or you can just simply write the answer like this also. The next topic is division of fractions. So what we will do it in this, like if I said there's example like for example 8 by 9 divided by 4 by 3. Let's take this example. So what we will do it in this. So this is just easy. You can do it like the numerator will divide it by numerator and the denominator will divide it by the denominator. It is as simple as multiplication, like 8 divided by 4, or you can write it 9 divided by 3. It's separately. So there is 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9 if it is possible. Now what we will do, let's take alternative example. Alternative, not example, method. It's a method, alternative method. In this method you have to convert the division into multiplication. It will be a division but it is in the form of reciprocal. Like for example, if I take the same example like 8 by 9 divided by 4 by 3. So what you will do, you just have to convert this division into multiplication. But how? Like first we need to write the first fraction as it is, like 8 by 9. So we will write it this 8 by 9. Now this divide will convert into multiplication if we reciprocal this fraction. So how to reciprocal the fraction? Just to convert the denominator and numerator, exchange it like upside down. We have to write this fraction upside down. For example, the denominator is 3, so it will be a numerator then, and denominator and numerator 4 will be converted into denominator, so it will be written as 3 by 4. So if any fraction is written in the form of reciprocal, the division will get multiplication. The division will convert it into multiplication, or if it is in multiplication, it will convert it into division. It's a form of vice versa. Now what we will do, now this form is simplified. Now you know how to multiply the fractions. So you will write it 8 multiplied by 3 and 9 multiplied by 4. So 8 3s are 24 and 9 4s are 36. Or if you want to convert it into simplest form, you can convert it directly from here itself or from here, like 4 9s are and 4 6s are 24. Now you can write it 6 by 9. You can further simplify it like 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So now you can write it 2 by 3. So this is how you can divide. Now for let's take another example, like example number B. If I write 12 by 15 divided by 8 by 20. Let's take this example. So what will I do? I will just reciprocal the fraction. Like first fraction can be written as like as it is. The division will get multiplication, will get converted into multiplication if this fraction is reciprocal, like 20 by 8. So I have written this upside down form, like the inverted form. So what will I do now? This is multiplied by simply that 12 multiplied by 20 and 15 multiplied by 8. If you want to divide the fraction, you can divide numerator and denominator directly from here or from another, like 12 2s are 24 and 0, that is 240. 8 5s are 44 120. Now 0 will cancel from 0 and it is 24 by 12. Now what is this? 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So it can be written as 2 upon 1, or you can write it just simply as 2, because if the denominator is 1, you can write the numerator only, like this. So here are some examples, so you can do it at home.